Jet's 9x16 and 10x18 EVS horizontal bandsaws will increase your shop's output. Their inverter-controlled TEFC 230-volt three-phase motors deliver an industry-leading torque while conveniently operating on 115-volt input power. With the turn of a knob, operators can quickly change speed from 82 to 330 surface feet per minute, allowing for fast, efficient cutting. Our proprietary coolant and chip catch basin is 39% larger, which minimizes coolant overspray and drastically reduces cleanup time. The heavy-duty cast iron bow and bed deliver the durability needed for a lifetime of demanding shop use. The HBS 916 EVS and HBS 1018 EVS series saws coming standard with a fully guarded blade and end-of-cut motor shutoff. Following strict guidelines and electrical requirements, Jet's EVS horizontal bandsaws are CSA US certified and TAA compliant. Visit jettools.com to see more information and to find a dealer near you.